everybody, and welcome back to The Art of F.A. Checky on FATV, the one and only YouTube art channel with me, F.A. Checky. Well, that is true. There are some other art channels out there, but I like to say mine is unique in that my content is more than just art instruction or tutorials. It's more than just art promotion of some kind. It's more than just the artist painting and more than ASMR. It's kind of a hodgepodge of various things, including my life, my views, my philosophies, and about the artist F.A. Checky myself. So today is a very special episode. Yeah, I know my hair's a mess. Oh, boys. Today's one of those, after a very long night, very tired. This morning, didn't even do the hair. I don't care. Big hair and all, we're painting. And this is also a real special episode, as I was saying, or I don't know if I said yet or not. That's how tired I am. Maybe it's time for a little bit of that old, this is tea this time, not coffee. Earl Grey, make it so. All right, so my mother-in-law is suffering from cancer. Hopefully she'll survive through that. But she just lost her sweet little poodle, Jack, and very tough time. And I can't think of any better present, maybe, in terms of my way of expression than giving somebody some art, but in this case, a painting of her dog, Jack. And I'll show you a picture here in just a moment. And show you my little setup here. Just gonna do an acrylic painting. I wanna get it done so I could ship it to her ASAP. Acrylics dry much faster, but your blending, your flow, your viscosity on the, how slippery the paint is when it's wet is different. It's a different feel, but you can do some faster things and send it to somebody. One good reason to do acrylic. Some people love it. You can do detail over things much faster. You can paint over stuff and it won't mix in and blend, but that's why oils somewhat are superior, so you can keep blending and blending and blending and blending and blending and mixing and blending and detailing and detailing and blending over and over. As layers of process to get those type of oil paintings the way you want them to be. Acrylics, you can do acrylics, do oils over. That's great too. I do that too. But in this case, it's just going to be pure acrylics, and I'll show you Jack, and I think we're just going to if we're gonna do a little tiny little segment of just lighting the Bob Ross candle before we start, but that's upstairs. I'm downstairs. That's upstairs. I'm painting on my kitchen table today, but I'll go upstairs and light that candle because that's what I do. That's my, that's my little ritual. But let me show you Jack, like I said. And before that, just thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please view as many videos as you can. Please share. Please comment, give me feedback, let me know what you want to see, and 50% of all proceeds go to art charities and other good charities. Perhaps from this one we give it to dog charities for canines, dogs, shelters and things like that. I think that would be a great charity from this particular video, but we have to get to a high monetization rate to be able to donate that type of money. I mean, more than a stamp. I mean, I need more money than a stamp. So again, please like, please subscribe. Very excited for you to be a part of my channel, just viewing, telling people about us. And that's all for the intro today. I'm going way too long. All right. I don't know how well you can see it because I'm going to be using the PC here just to look at Jack. That's a cute little poodle. May he rest in peace. Such a lovely, lovely, lovely dog. And he'll be missed, obviously. And that's why we're painting him. But as you can see here, that's going to be what we're painting. I need a picture because that's look like Jack, not just any poodle. So let's go upstairs. Let's light the Bob Ross candle. Let's get started painting. Okay, so here we go. Gonna light the Bob Ross candle. Enough with the Halo music, my friend. So I'm back, and I'm with Callie. She's doing a little painting over there, making a face. Looking cute in her little, she wanted to wear Christmas pajamas. Those are for Christmas pictures this winter. And what I'm doing, and Callie can say whatever she wants, she can talk to in this video. What I'm doing, I'm just blocking out with some basic blue, kind of like a sky blue. I'm blocking out the shape of the dog to an extent.
It's a grandma's doggie.
Yeah, it's, remember what happened? I had to tell Callie today, and she thought that was, I think she thought that was sad. She didn't really have an attachment to the dog, but still, somebody losing their dog's very sad, right? And so, just before we go.
She lost her dog?
Yeah, Jack died. I told you that. Jack died. Grandma's
Wait, I've seen Jack
got health issues. You've seen Jack. Grandma's got some health issues that hopefully all get better. Yeah. Well, yeah, Grandma loved that dog very much. That was, I think, one of the first adopted. So she rescued a lot of these poodles, become a huge poodle family with all these other poodles she's got. I'm sure not before long. There'll be another one there, and that's fine. She has a passion for these dogs, and why not? I love animals in general. I don't know about you, but I'm a little bit monotone right now because I'm trying to concentrate on holding the camera and painting and blocking out with this. Now you can add a little water to thin out your acrylics if you want. It will lighten the color to a little bit of a degree, but you'll get this effect there too. It looks good for water, but I'm trying to get a flat blue color below the dog. Here's Callie looking at the doggie. Hi, Callie. I'll set up the camera here in a minute just to show more what I'm doing. But I just want to give you a basic idea. Laying in just blue paint.
Daddy, I saw this video Saturday when a dog. Daddy,
Yeah.
I saw this video, but it Saturday when a doggy died.
I know.
He didn't have any arms.
Oh, some of them don't, and they help them with prosthetics. They give them fake arms or wheels to go on, right? So that's sad. Does it make you sad? Makes you sad? Okay. So blocking in. She's so cute. Look at her. That's Callie. Just blocking in this.
I've seen Jack before.
Yeah, you've seen when we visited Grandma. I just want to block in the shape of the dog. Yeah, you've seen Jack. You've seen him. That's the name of the dog again, Jack. And so we're just getting ready.
Show them your face if they haven't seen you.
My face? They have seen my face, but they haven't seen yours. They
Hello.
they haven't seen yours. Yeah, Callie came to join me. She's like, "Oh, Dad!" Oh, she put a thumbs up there. That means like the video. Do it again. Like the video. Oh, she has paint on her hand, even awesome.
Because I was trying to make my imprint on the paper.
Yeah. Like I said, I'm just blocking in, and then we'll just move on to the next steps, which is to kind of detail with just the shape and form of the dog. But I just want to leave that blank, gives me an idea of where the layout on the canvas for the dog needs to be. Well, that's all, folks, for today. A little time-lapse painting. Something really special to me, special to my wife, special to my mother-in-law. Painting good old Jack to the dog. You get the basic idea on these paintings. You know what we do to make the acrylics work. There's a lot of application with the waters and the acrylics, just like oils. Acrylics, like oils, a liquid, except oils dry very, very slow. Acrylics dry very, very fast. Being it's a water-based paint, water breaks it down. You can do all kinds of wonderful effects and shapes and so on that I think, with acrylics, it's just its own medium. And I just did it as a time-lapse because I usually paint in oils, and instructing with acrylics, it's not my thing yet. I'd rather you just see me paint it with it, but you get the general idea. That was just free painting. I'm just free painting off of a picture. When you paint from a picture, it's so much different than out of your mind, because as light comes in to your eyes from a picture, you see what's there and you recreate it on the canvas or whatnot. With the mind, it's all warped and crazy. It's like your dreams, That's why surreal painting can be really cool. We're going to get back to my surreal painting that you saw with the canyon and so on. I do have another dog painting I have to do, too. I'll have to fit that in.
What?
What, baby?
Of what?
Of what? What are you talking about?
What dog painting?
Another one. There's a gal on Facebook who really wants me to paint her dog, too. But I got to take care of the mother-in-law. Yeah. Because I got to take care of the mother-in-law first and get hers done. If I got a family. But anyway, the point I wanted to make here with finishing on this piece is this is just a little break from the surreal. The other things, this is doing more something that's not so surreal. It's a real picture. It's still life in a sense. It's animated life, true life. As opposed to like apples in a basket of fruit. But acrylics, you can do a lot of fun things. You just got to be patient with it. I don't think you ever want to rush through any artwork. What am I looking at? Just never mind that. You never want to rush through anything you want to do a good job on. It's all in the hand. It's in the mind. It's in the muscle memory. Just keep painting, practicing over and over and over, and eventually it starts to come to you. That was about an hour's worth of work right there. Kind of broken up because we went to the grocery store in between because my little girl needed snacks. Callie, are you getting snacks?
Shopkin.
Oh, Shopkin. We needed snacks. Other boy, he's swimming, Matthew. But you got to see Callie and her little... She painted something. Hold on. What, Callie? Hold on. I want you to show what. You want to show what you painted today? Callie did a little painting too with Daddy. She wants to show her artwork. I don't want to exclude her. Let me help you hold it, sweetie. Okay. I know. And then.
I'm gonna show you the bottom.
Yeah, look at that. She did a little painting. I like to encourage.
A for Callie,
and
then F for Frank.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Who says that, Callie? Yeah, these kids watch so much YouTube, but it's great. Whatever. They have the thing they say. I say my own weird things, I'm sure, too. My own repeat clutch words as well. But anyway, I think this is a ton of fun to do something like this for... and it's meaningful to do this for someone. But we'll get back again to more surreal painting, finish the canyon work. I have a few ideas of how I want to add the surreal element. It's already kind of surreal with that strange land bridge in it. And if you watch the channel, you get to follow the paintings I'm working on, those being posted on Pinterest or being posted on Facebook. Just look up f.a.space CHEKKI. You'll find me on there. Got my page. And I'm on Instagram. All the stuff I'm working on, those progress pictures, they're integrated within the YouTube videos. So there you go. Again, thank you so much for watching. We have hit over 1,000 subscribers, which is great. Yeah, over 1,000. We're nothing. We're not in the millions. Some of these people have millions. We will one day get there, and that's because I believe in the viewers like you. And what? Yeah, we need 1 million subscribers, so subscribe. Tell your friends. Say, hey, they're giving half of that money to the arts, to dog shelters like in this video, elephants, all kinds of good causes. We're not going to keep all the ad money.
Mommy's favorite.
Yeah, Mommy loves elephants. So we're going to be giving away half of the ad revenue, and if you build up the channel, you're going to help good causes. Okay, so if the only way we're going to get monetized is views, lots and lots of views, and then people want to put ads on there, and we're not going to keep it all. We're going to give half of it, 50% away. I just want to end with that. So like, comment, subscribe, share, tell everyone about us. And, your views will do a good thing. It's not just watching mindlessly on YouTube. You can actually put it towards something. We're not there yet. We need more help from you guys. So this is a call out to all of you ending off this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your subscriptions. Thank you for getting us to 1,000 subscriptions. Go out there, be the artist you were born to be the person you were born to be, grow an appreciation for art, and just live life and enjoy. And we'll definitely be back for some more YouTube fun and painting and art. There goes the shaving cream. We're somewhere over here where Callie is. But we'll be back for some more art fun and family life and kids and all that cool stuff. And I really enjoyed doing this episode. Thank you again.
It's not an episode, it's a video.
Well, this is going to be an episode. It's not just a video. I do episodes and I do videos in between. Okay, so I think this is episode 20. Yeah. So thanks, everybody. Again, I'll say thank you over and over and over because you make this channel happen, and we will see you next time.